Hi guys, miss you all. We are back once again, and today we're going to make fan toffee, or let's say condensed milk toffee. Yes, it's a sweet thing. Yeah, it's a sweet thing. So we're going to make it, and to make your fan toffee, you need oil. Yeah, oil, and then a small amount of oil. You need your condensed milk here, and then you need so these are the ingredients for now. That's all. So guys, follow me as we make the fan toffee. So you pour a little amount of oil into it. This is just to cook it and cook the milk so that it will become hard. Yeah. Yes, not to. So you pour it in. So you keep stirring. You have to stir. It should be on a low heat, guys. My advice, you pour before you start frying it. I wanted it so fast, that's why I did it today. So it's continue stirring. Yes guys, and don't be surprised when it starts reduce in size. Yes, because the more you are frying, the more it's becoming smaller. So after you are done, I'm almost done though. After you are done, you need to take it here and then put it on a board. Chopping board can be good too. And then you need to but you need to grease the surface before you put it on. But for me, I like to apply oil so that it doesn't get stuck on it. So we're almost done. And then you start to roll. Yes, so we are done. So guys, it became so small. You start to rub it. So guys, that's how you make it. But you see, I used my hands to rub it. But if you had put it on a chopping board and then roll it, you get a nice shape, and then it will be formed so nicely. So that's how to make the condensed fan milk toffee. So guys, I decided to cut them into pieces so that it might look a little bit attractive. So this is the condensed toffee. We are done.